Hello everyone, in the previous videos we have been learning the applications of the derivative in commerce. Now in this video we will start the application of integration in commerce. What we are going to learn in this video, we are going to learn how to find out the cost function and the revenue function when we are given the marginal cost function or the marginal revenue function. As we know that the marginal cost function is given by d by dx of cx, that is the cost function. And we also know that integral is also known as antiderivative. So in case marginal cost is d by dx of cx, can we say that cx will be equal to integral of marginal cost function with respect to x plus k, where k is the integration coefficient or coefficient of integral. The value of k we can find out by substituting some values of x which are given to us, or otherwise if x is 0, we know that we are getting the fixed cost. So if we say that if x is 0, then cx, which is equal to c0, is equal to the fixed cost. So we can find out the value of k by applying this also. Similarly, we know that the marginal revenue function is given by mr, that is equal to d by dx of rx, that is the revenue function. So derivative of revenue function is the marginal revenue function. It means what? In case we want to find out the revenue function Rx, then that will be integral of marginal revenue function with respect to x plus the coefficient of integral k. Now we will discuss some of the problems based on the same concept. See, the first one here is the marginal cost function of a product is given by x upon root of x square plus 900. Find the total cost function if the fixed cost is rupees 1200. So what we do for the solution of this, we have been given the marginal cost function as x upon root of x square plus 900. And just now we learned that the cost function will be integral of this. Suppose we say this as c, which is the integral of x upon root of x square plus 900 dx plus k. We know how to integrate this type of function. We will take here x square plus 900 is equal to t square. Differentiating this, we are getting 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. 2 and 2 cancel. So here x dx is t dt upon t. T and t cancel. Plus k. Integral of dt plus k. And we know the integral of dt, that is integral of 1, is equal to t. So this comes as t plus k. Substituting the value of t, we are getting this as root of x square plus 900 plus k. Now we have to find out the value of k. We have been given the fixed cost is 1200 rupees, and we know that fixed cost is equal to C0. C0 means that is root of 0 plus 900 plus k, which is equal to 1200. So what we are getting here, this gives us 30 plus k equal to 1200. It means we are getting K is equal to 1170 or 1170. It means what is the total cost function? Cx. That will be equal to this plus K, that is root of x square plus 900 plus 1170. This is the answer. So like this, in case we are given the marginal cost, we can find out the total cost function. The second example we discuss here is the marginal revenue function of a product is given by MR equal to 10 minus 2x plus 4x square. And we have to find out the revenue function and also we have to find out the demand function. So we have been given here the marginal revenue function as 10 minus 2x plus 4x square. And we know that marginal revenue function is d by dx of the revenue function Rx. It means we can find out the revenue function Rx by integral of mr, that is 10 minus 2x plus 4x square dx or not. And if we integrate this, that becomes 10x minus 2 into x square by 2 plus 4 into x cube by 3 plus k, which is equal to 10x minus x square plus 4 by 3 x cube plus k. Now how to find out the value of k? We know when x is 0, then the revenue function Rx will be equal to 0 or not, because if there is no product, then there won't be any revenue. And we can apply the same thing here. It means we are going to have R0, that is 10 into 0 minus 0 plus 4 by 3 into 0 plus k is equal to 0. And hence we are getting k is equal to 0. If we substitute the value of k here as 0, then we are getting the revenue function is 10x minus x square plus 4 by 3 x cube, which is the answer for the first part. Now we have also to find out the demand function. We know if the price is given by P per unit, then revenue function Rx is equal to P into X or not? It means what is the demand function? Demand function P is equal to Rx upon X. This we have discussed in the previous video also. So we write here demand function is equal to P is equal to Rx upon X. That is equal to 10x minus x square plus 4 by 3x cube divided by x, which is equal to 10 minus x plus 4 by 3x square. This is the answer. So we were given the marginal revenue function. We could find out the revenue function and also we could find out the demand function from that. The third problem we discuss here is find the cost of increasing output from 10 to 20 units if the marginal cost is given by 3x square minus 2x plus 25. We have been given the marginal cost function as 3x square minus 2x plus 25. We know how to calculate the cost function, because we know marginal cost function is given by d by dx of Cx. And hence we can say that Cx is equal to the integral of marginal cost function with respect to x plus k. But here we have to find out the cost of increasing output from 10 to 20 units. So why to go for Cx directly? We can find the cost of the 20 items and the cost of the 10 items and subtract them. Instead of doing that longer method, we can directly find out the definite integral from 10 to 20 for this marginal cost function or not. And that we will do. So we can write that the cost of increasing output will be equal to 10 to 20 marginal cost function with respect to x, and there is no constant of integration in case of definite integral. So we find the integral from 10 to 20, that is 3x square minus 2x plus 25 into dx. When we integrate this, we know it is 3x cubed by 3 minus 2 into x square by 2 plus 25x, and the limits are from 10 to 20. 3 and 3 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. Is it coming as x cube minus x square plus 25x from 10 to 20? And we know how to calculate the value. That is, we will substitute the value of x as 20 minus the value of x as 10. So this gives us 20 cube minus 20 square plus 25 into 20 minus 10 cube minus 10 square plus 25 into 10. This gives us 20 cube, that is 8000, minus 20 square, that is 400, plus 25 into 20, that is 500, minus 10 cube is 1000, minus 10 square is 100, so this will become plus 100, minus 20 into 10, that is 250, which is equal to 8000 plus 500 plus 100, that is 8600, minus 400 plus 1000, that is 1400, minus 250, that is 1650. And if we subtract this, is it coming as 6950? It means rupees 6950 is the output when the number is increasing from 10 to 20. So in this video, we have learnt how to calculate the cost function and the revenue function when the marginal cost function and the marginal revenue functions are given. In the next video, we will be learning about the consumer surplus and the producer surplus, what they are and how to calculate that. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.